Hi everyone, my name is Reagan and I am one of the working group members for virtual shadowing. I just wanted to make this quick little tutorial for you guys on how to take a quiz with our new quiz platform, which is called Firebox. It's super easy, there is no PIN or password anymore, and it should allow everyone to download their certificates and it should be very reliable. So we will now provide you just with a link, and that will be posted to our website, in our emails, and we'll also put a little QR code in our recording so that if you don't want to deal with the link, you can just scan it with your phone and take the quiz on your phone. And so you just scan it or take the link, put it in your browser, and as soon as you hit enter, it will pop up with this page and it says, please progress through the quiz. Once you pass, fill out your name as you would like to see it on the certificate. Then please download for your records. So it's not going to ask you for your name or for your email just yet. It wants to see that you passed the assessment before we collect any of your information. And so once you're ready, you go ahead and hit start and it will take you to the very first question. And here at the top, you can see a progress bar. This quiz only has one question since it's just an example for this video. But as you progress through the quiz, it will give you a little progress bar as to how far into the quiz you are. And so you'll just read the question and select the best answer. So the answer for this one is 42. And once you get to the end of the quiz, this slide will come up. It says, please fill in your name as you would like to see it on the certificate, then please download. And so if you try to hit the certificate button before you enter in your email and name, it will flash this red warning at you and it won't let you do anything. So go ahead and enter your information. And this is just an example. So once you do all that, then you can hit certificate and it will generate that for you. And it's not downloaded until you hit certificate again. So make sure you hit it again and you see this little thing at the bottom of your screen. And then you should be good to go. And I have a record of it in our files. And that is that. So hopefully this will be very reliable and much easier for everyone.